Okay, here's my dilemma. I have to move this drain over 3 inches, right about here. Maybe 2.5 if I can shift that over, but I'm looking at 3 inches because the shower drain, it's 18 here by 15. I thought it was gonna be 18 by 18, which is what this is, but it's not. It's 15 inches. So this here is about 3 inches. So I have to cut it from here, but with the coupling, it's gonna be pretty tight.
That's awesome. That is so awesome. Now I can glue in my inch, my 45 adapter and extend this out. That is really cool. It's gonna make it so much easier rather than have to replumb everything to connect to this.
So the other thing I think you can actually do here is just because you have this 90 on its side, this is not exactly the most ideal way to go about that. What I would probably suggest is cutting, once you remove some of the plywood, cutting the pipe back here, and then maybe using a 45-degree either street or regular 45-degree elbow, and then bringing your trap up to the center mark of where that needs to be. Just so that this is a little bit less of a sharp turn. You might not have had any problems with that laying that way, but usually you don't want to put a 90 on its side like that. So if you did a 45 back here and brought this over, I think that would probably be the better way to go.
Also, when I put the wood back on the board, I have a joist over here, and I have something coming across here as well. So nailing it to here or screwing to here and here is not a problem. However, from here to here is 24 inches. So I got nothing to nail into.
So we're gonna cut out some of this subfloor so we can see how we can refinagle our plumbing here. Okay, and we got a notch out for our plumbing again.
And back here, there's nothing for about 7.5 inches, which takes me back here. So there's nothing along here to screw into as well.
Okay, so this is a common area that once you tear out the plywood, you got to get some kind of catcher here. And I would recommend trying to get underneath to the joist. So measure what we're just going to do some 2x6s. So 14 3/4. All right, so this is a common area where you don't have anything underneath the wall. There we go. Okay, so now you got support right in that corner where you need it. And now you won't have any issues with supporting your shower pan.
So thanks, Tom, for your questions and for signing up for a coaching session. If you have any questions about your own bathroom, definitely sign up for a coaching session. I do 30-minute calls with you on FaceTime or Zoom, whatever is most convenient for you. But I think this can really help you out if you have some tough questions that are just easier for me to take a look at. So thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.